Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a companion in the Breezer application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the green button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the companions button, and then click on the blue sign next to the create companion button. So first you have to set the person's first name, optionally their middle name and the last name, and you can also set a preferred name to him or her. You have to set the birth date, the gender, their email address and their phone number, and you can also set a known traveler number if they have any. And then you can set further preferences like seat, reasons for traveling, transportation, the reason for traveling, and what he or she likes, to go beaches or mountains. And once you did that, then just click on the create companion button, and it will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.